Shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty's standing by. Baby Shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with Baby Shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby Shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on Shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby Shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby Shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby Shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. Happy birthday party time. The balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Oh no, no, what a day. The place play chaos on the way. Kitty brings the birthday cake up hot, but the table starts to shake. Happy birthday party time. High balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Frosting flying through the sky. Kitty says, come back, please. Cake zooms past the party seats. Cake, 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 don't run away. Silly birthday cake today. Happy birthday party time. High balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Everyone jumps with funny eyes. Monkey hides beneath the chair. Puppy runs around and scare. Pop, 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 balloons go boom. Crazy party in the room. Kitty opens giant gift. Suddenly the lid goes flip. Tall waving pony fills the air. Toys go bouncing everywhere. Funny dances on the floor. Dino crashes through the door. Happy birthday party time. Balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. Birthday madness every night. Kitty laughs, that's okay. Funny birthday save the day. Everyone dances side by side. Big smiles they cannot hide. Cake is fixed and candles glow. Best birthday ever, you know. Happy birthday party time. Balloons and cake are looking fine. Kitty dances come along, but suddenly things go wrong. People bid us Kitty fine.
Kitty dances come along.
Keep what's stay fun everywhere. Oh no! Side of the Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 4 spooky dinos were train!
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, when you're 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 riding. Two spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear, and bear made remark. Stop this spooky train ride! Almost broken train. Riding the train, when you're 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 riding.
I was so lucky.
Two broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch, and witch said, "Oops, fix the train, fix it soon. Let's fix the train." Hi, Joe, they fixed the train. All Dano's back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them home and says, "Let's ride the Dino train today." Riding the train, when you're 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 Kitty driving on the bus. Funny riders making fuss. How to conk here and bump it there. Crazy chaos everywhere. Riding on a bus. Go, go, go. But something's wrong, you know. Five funny riders riding on a bus. The one jumped up and made a fuss. Jump, crack! Went the bus front light. Kitty called the owl in the night. Wolf said, "Sit down, please. No more jumping on the seats." Four funny riders riding on a bus. Monkey danced and shook the bus. Boom, boom, wheel went flat. Kitty said, "What was that?" Kitty called the tiger right away. Tiger said, "Drive slow today." Three funny riders riding on a bus. Bunny spilled juice all on us. Splish, splash, splash. Floor got wet. Slippery bus, you bet. Kitty called the panda bear. Panda said, "Cleat everywhere." Two funny riders riding on a bus. Filthy bark and startled us. Honk, honk, horn got stuck. Loudest bus, what bad luck. Kitty called the parrot then. Parrot said, "Quiet again." One funny rider riding on a bus. Bear rolled down and crashed with bus. Door flew wide. Kitty said, "Hold on tight." Kitty called the bunny once more. Bunny said, "Fix the door." All funny riders fix the bus. No more chaos, no more fuss. Wheels go round and lights now glow. Kitty says, "Now let's go, Coco." Riding on a bus, smooth and slow. Happy riders steal the show. Oh no, Try Kitty forgot all her body parts. Let's help Kitty learn and point them correctly. Touch, sing, and learn with Kitty. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing. What can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. Eyes help me see day and night. Nose, Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me.